Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to teach some important objective concepts in properties of triangles. Properties of triangles plays major role in competitive entrance exams. Let us see some objective concepts. First one is sine rule. Already we derived in IP sine rule. What is sine rule? In triangle ABC, A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to 2R, where R is circumradius, From this we can write A by sine A is equal to 2R, B by sine B is equal to 2R, C by sine C is equal to 2R, and A equal to 2R sine A, B equal to 2R sine B, and C equal to 2R sine C. Now we can derive a relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Consider A is to B is to C, that is equal to 2R sine A is to 2R sine B is to 2R sine C. Here 2R gets cancelled. From this we can write A is to B is to C is equal to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. Sine A is to sine B is to sine C. A is to B is to C is equal to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. By using this relation, we can find the sides of the triangle or angles of a triangle. Let us see one example based on this formula. Okay. First one is, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:5:6, then what is the ratio of its sides? We are given that the angles are in the ratio 1:5:6. Angles of a triangle are denoted by capital A, capital B, capital C. So, given that A is to B is to C is equal to 1:5:6. A is to B is to C is equal to 1:5:6. Let A equal to K and B equal to 5K, C equal to 6K. And we know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180, since A plus B plus C equal to 180. From here, A equal to K, B equal to 5K, C equal to 6K equal to 180. So, K plus 5K plus 6K means 12K. 12K equal to 180 and K equal to 180 by 12, that is equal to 15. Therefore, K equal to 15 degrees. K equal to 15 degrees. Hence, since A equal to K, this is equal to 15 degrees. And B equal to 5K, this is equal to 5 into 15, which is equal to 75 degrees. And C equal to 6K, that is equal to 6 into 15, which is equal to 90. Okay. Then, by using the above relation, we can find the ratio of A sides of triangle. So, A is to B is to C is equal to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. This is equal to sine A means 15 degrees, B means 75 degrees, and C means 90 degrees. C means 90 degrees. And the value of sine 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and sine 75 means root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and sine 90 means 1. Okay, this is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is to multiplying and dividing 1 with 2 root. So 1 into 2 root 2 by 2 root 2. Now in denominator we have 2 root 2. All the three terms, the denominator have 2 root 2. So 2 root 2, 2 root 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. Therefore, the ratio of sides of a triangle are root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. Next one is the radius of the circumcircle of an isosceles triangle PQR is equal to PQ or PR. Then angle P equal to the radius of the circumcircle of an isosceles triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR. This is the center of the circle and it is radius capital. Here triangle PQR is isosceles and we are given that PQ equal to PR. If PQ equal to PR, then angle Q is equal to angle R. Angle Q equal to angle R. We are given that radius of circumcircle, that means capital R, is equal to, given that capital R is equal to PQ or PR. Suppose we take capital R is equal to PQ. R is equal to PQ means the side opposite to angle R. Side opposite to angle R. Suppose we take P means A and Q means B and R means C for our convenience. So the side opposite to angle C means small c, and from sine rule we know that small c is equal to 2r sine c. This is capital R, circumradius. So on both sides capital R gets cancelled and we get 1 is equal to 2 sine c. From this we can write sine c is equal to 1 by 2. Since here c means r, angle r, so sine of angle r is equal to 1 by 2 means sine 30 degrees. From this we can write r is equal to 30 degrees. Since triangle PQR is isosceles and PQ, the sides PQ and PR are equal, then automatically angle Q and angle R are equal. Here we get capital R, that means angle R is equal to 30, that means angle Q also is equal to 30. Since triangle PQR is isosceles, triangle PQR is isosceles, and we know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. P equal to 180 minus of Q plus R. So this is equal to 180 minus of 30 plus 30, which is equal to 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120. Therefore, angle P is equal to 120 degrees. Angle P is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. Next one is in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 60 degrees and angle C is equal to 45 degrees. If D divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3, then what is the value of sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD? We are given that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 60 degrees and angle C is equal to 45 degrees, and D divides BC in the ratio 1:3. D divides BC 1:3. Join AD. So we get two triangles. Those are triangle ABD and triangle ADC. ADB and ADC. Now apply sine rule for these two triangles. First, apply sine rule. Apply sine rule. First one for triangle ABD. So sine rule means, what is sine rule? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. That means ratio of any side to its sine of opposite angle. Here we take side AD by sine of its opposite angle, means the opposite angle is to AD means pi by 3, that is 60. So AD by sine 60 is equal to, and we take the side BD, that means 1 by the angle opposite to this side is angle A. It also be denoted as angle BAD. So we write sine of angle BAD. Sine of angle BAD, and substitute the value of sine 60, that is AD by sine 60 means root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by sine of angle BAD. From this you can write 2AD by root 3. Here 2 is in denominator of denominator, so it goes to numerator. Then 2AD by root 3 is equal to 1 by sine of angle BAD. Let it be equation 1. And then apply sine rule for the triangle ADC. Apply sine rule for the triangle ADC. Okay. Here I take the side AD by, here the angle opposite to AD means C, that is pi by 4. So AD by sine pi by 4, AD by sine pi by 4 is equal to CD, that means 3 by the angle opposite to CD is A. So I write sine of angle ADC or CAD. Angle, sine of angle CAD. Okay, and then substitute the value of sine 45, that is 1 by root 2. AD by 1 by root 2 is equal to 3 by sine of angle CAD. From this we can write root 2 AD by 1 is equal to 3 by sine of angle CAD. Let it be equation 2. Okay, consider equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 means root 2 AD by 1 by, in equation 1 we have 2 AD by root 3. 2 AD by root 3 is equal to, from equation 2 we have 3 by sine of angle CAD by, from equation 1 we have 1 by sine of angle BAD. From this we can write root 2 AD into root 3 by 2 AD is equal to 3 times of sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD. Here root 3 into root 2 means root 6. Here AD cancel by 3 2 ja 6 is equal to sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD. From this we can write sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD is equal to root 6 by, 6 can be written as root 6 into root 6 and root 6 cancel. Then we get sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD is equal to 1 by root 6. Sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD is equal to 1 by root 6. Okay. Next one is, in any triangle ABC, sigma sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A is always greater than or equal to sigma sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A. It can be written as sigma sine square A by sine A. By splitting into three parts, you can write sine square A by sine A plus sine A by sine A plus 1 by sine A. 1 by sine A. This is equal to sigma sine square A by sine A means sine A plus sine A by sine A means 1 plus 1 by sine A. It can be written as sigma sine A plus 1 by sine A plus 1. Okay. Here these two terms are in the form of x plus 1 by x, and we know that if x is equal to 1, then x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, and if x is positive, then x plus 1 by x is always greater than or equal to 2, and if x is negative, then x plus 1 by x is always less than or equal to minus 2. Here sine A plus 1 by sine A is always greater than or equal to 2, and we have plus 1. So this is greater than or equal to sigma 2 plus 1 means 3. By expanding sigma, we get 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Therefore, sigma sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A is always greater than or equal to 9. Okay. And the next question is, in triangle ABC, pi times of sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A is always greater than. This is similar to previous question. In previous question, we have sigma sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A. But in this question, we have pi times of sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A. Sigma is the symbol for addition and pi is the symbol for multiplication. That is the only difference between previous question and for this question. Okay. Consider pi times of sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A. It can be split into three terms, that is sine square A by sine A plus sine A by sine A plus 1 by sine A. Like in previous question, this is equal to pi times of sine A plus 1 plus 1 by sine A. This is equal to pi times of sine A plus 1 by sine A plus 1, and we know that sine A plus 1 by sine A is always greater than or equal to 2, and we have plus 1. This is equal to, this is greater than or equal to pi times of 3. Pi means it is the symbol for multiplication, so it can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. So this is equal to 27. Therefore, pi times of sine square A plus sine A plus 1 by sine A is always greater than or equal to 27. Okay. The next question is, the perimeter of triangle is 6 times of AM of sines of its angles. If the side small a is 1, then what is angle A? We are given that the perimeter of triangle is 6 times of AM of the sides of its angles, sines of its angles. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of any closed figure is sum of all its sides. Here, perimeter of triangle means, consider triangle ABC, ABC. Here the side BC is denoted by small a, which is opposite to the angle A, and side AC is denoted by small b, which is opposite to angle B, and side AB is denoted by small c, which is opposite to angle C. So here perimeter of triangle ABC means small a plus small b plus small c is equal to 6 times of AM of sine of its angles. Sine of its angles means sine A, sine B, sine C. AM of sine A, sine B, sine C means sum of terms by number of terms. So that is equal to sine A plus sine B plus sine C by 3. Okay. Here 3 ones, 3 twos gets cancelled, and A plus B plus C is equal to, from sine rule we can write sine A is equal to A by 2r plus sine B, B by 2r plus sine C, C by 2r. So A plus B plus C is equal to 2 times of, consider the LCM as 2r, in numerator we get A plus B plus C, here 2 gets cancelled, and on both sides A plus B plus C gets cancelled. So 1 is equal to 1 by 2r. From this, capital R is equal to 1. That means circumradius is equal to 1. And we are given that the side small a is equal to 1. Small a means, from sine rule, small a means 2r sine a. This is equal to 1. And we know that capital R is equal to 1. By substituting that, we get 2 into 1 into sine a is equal to 1. From this we can write sine A is equal to 1 by 2, and we know that 1 by 2 is equal to sine 30 degrees. So sine A is equal to sine 30 degrees. By comparing on both sides, we get angle A is equal to 30 degrees. That is, angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Next one is, in triangle ABC, A is equal to 45 degrees and B equal to 75 degrees. Then what is the value of A plus C root 2? Given that angle A is equal to 45 degrees and angle B equal to 75 degrees. And we know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So that means A plus B plus C is equal to 180. And C is equal to 180 minus of A plus B. So this is equal to 180 minus of A means 45 and B means 75. So this is equal to 180 minus 120. 45 plus 75, 120. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Okay. Consider the LHS part, that is A plus C root 2, and we know that from sine rule small a is equal to 2r sine A plus small c means 2r sine C into root 2. By taking 2r as common, we get 2r into sine A plus root 2 into sine C. Substitute the angles A and C, we get 2r into sine A means 45 degrees plus root 2 into sine C means 60 degrees. This is equal to r into sine 45 means 1 by root 2 plus root 2 into sine 60 means root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2r into 1 by root 2 plus root 2 into root 3 by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So here root 2 gets cancelled, and then by taking LCM we get 2r into, taking the LCM as root 2, in numerator we get 1 plus root 3. Okay. 2r into, here multiplying and dividing with 2 this term, 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Multiplying and dividing with 2. So this is equal to r into 2 times of root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 means sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees. So this is equal to r into 2 times of, and we are given that 75 degrees is equal to b. So sine 75 means sine b. It can be written as 2 times of 2r sine b. 2 times of 2r sine b. So 2 into 2r sine b means small b. From sine rule, we know that 2r sine b is equal to small b. Therefore, a plus c root 2 is equal to 2b. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about cosine rule. What is cosine rule? In triangle ABC, a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Similarly, b square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b, and c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Minus 2ab cos c. From that, we can write 2bc cos a is equal to 2bc cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square, and cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, and from here we can write 2ca cos b equal to c square plus a square minus b square, and cos b equal to c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. Similarly, here also you can write 2ab cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square, and cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. These three rules are called cosine rule or law of cosines. Let us see some problems based on this cosine rule. Let us see one example based on cosine rule. In triangle ABC, if 2a square b square plus 2b square c square is equal to a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4, then angle B is equal to, given that 2a square b square plus 2b square c square is equal to a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. Let it be equation 1. Consider cos b is equal to c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. Squaring on both sides, we get cos square b equal to c square plus a square minus b square whole square by 2ca whole square. This is equal to, in numerator, it is in the form of a plus b minus c whole square. What is that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2c. By applying that, we get c square whole square means c power 4. Similarly, a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2c square a square minus 2a square b square minus 2b square c square by 4c square a square. Now it's time to use equation 1. What is that? A power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 is equal to 2a square b square plus 2b square c square. By substituting that, we get 2a square b square plus 2b square c square plus 2c square a square minus 2a square b square minus 2b square c square by 4c square a square. Here 2a square b square gets cancelled. Similarly, 2b square c square and 2b square c square gets cancelled. And the remaining part is 2c square a square by 4c square a square. And c square a square c square a square gets cancelled. Here 2 1s and 2 2's gets cancelled. So finally we get cos square b is equal to 1 by 2 and cos b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Cos b equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. If cos B equal to 1 by root 2, then angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Since 1 by root 2 is equal to 45, therefore angle B is equal to 45. And if cos B is equal to minus 1 by root 2, then angle B is equal to 180 minus 45. That is equal to 135. Hence, we conclude that angle B is equal to either 45 degrees or 135 degrees.